how to make a piece. Take a sheet of paper and fold it in half. Cut it. We get two halves. Fold them in half. And cut them. Take only two parts of paper and use only them now. You must make 16 small rectangles from them. Make the other 16 small rectangles. You must have 32 small rectangles at that moment. Now we start to fold the piece for 3D origami. Take one rectangle and fold it in half. Make a crease in the center. Fold sides down. Turn over. Fold right bottom corner. Fold another corner. Fold the strips up. and fold in half. Were you able to make it? You should make several pieces, and then you must prepare pieces for a comfortable assembling. Just put on one piece into another. Do you see? That's a nice way to make pieces more comfortable for using. You can store triangles in such sequences. By the way, you can watch TV or YouTube when you fold pieces. It will seem that time passed quickly, and you can make a lot of pieces. Use this advice. Every piece has two holes, two pockets. This is a short side of the piece, and this is a long side.